Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. It is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. The tire held most of its air overnight, so that's a good sign. I will get this home, block it up, and keep it up until I get the tire off and get it replaced, the tube. It's probably, just needs a tube. The tread is nice. It's only got some sidewall cracking from being empty, which is bad. I think though if I get a new tube in here, it's got good meat on it, I think it'll serve me well. I'm going to try to get one of these other tires on the front right now, and that's the only thing I need to do, and then pump that other one back up. I should be able to drive this home. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do right now. By the way, it looks great right now, but over there it's raining, and that's how it's been all day. Actually, it's been mostly raining today, and then you'll get a little bit of blue and then thunderstorms again all day. But now it looks like we have a little bit more of a break. So I've been in working online most of the morning on videos and comments and other things, admin work, and looks like I might have a chance to do this. So let's see. First, let's see if I can get these loosened up a little. And then I'll jack up the tractor. I don't want to scratch up my wrench. I don't like that. Yeah, ripped off the new coating. Should be all pretty easy the way it looks. The whole tractor seems to be in good shape. This one looks loose. Looks like somebody tried to mess with this a little bit at one time, not long ago. They're all relatively loose. I can't get that socket on tight. Almost could use an extension on this thing. Yeah. There we go. Oh, I hate to. There we go. A little bit better. Yeah. Okay. They're all gonna go pretty easily. It's just getting them back on and off. Okay, they're loose. Now I'll get the jack and raise this up. Look at the water coming out. I don't know if you can see down that to the ground. That tire is full of water. The great thing about these old tractors, they're only 3,200 pounds. So I want to see how high I need to go for the other tire. Anyway, looks like that's plenty high. I don't know if that's the right bolt pattern or anything, but we're going to find out. Alright, I'm going to take those nuts off. My only goal today is to get this in the mill home. I hope I can accomplish both. I was going to take the mill home with this, but I just don't want to put any load on I'm hesitating because I see an issue here. I don't want to put any load on the bad tire in the back. I don't know if this will work or not. Let me see. There's weird clips on that. They don't seem to interfere with the fit. It's odd. One is bent. Okay, I got some clips I gotta bend out of the way. Well, I'm going to town to look for a tire, and it's raining again. And that just shows how much it rains around here, on and off, all the time. So I got the tire in the back of the truck, and I'm looking for a tire or a tube or something to get this thing running. Picked the perfect time for a road trip. Anyway, it's raining hard now, and there's clear sky again. It's one of those days, Michigan weather. That's one of those days they talk about. If you don't like the weather right now, wait 5 minutes. Well, I'm back. It's not pretty. But I got a dry rotted tire. I think I'll let some of the air out. Yeah, I'm gonna let some of the air out. I got 35 in there. I'm gonna let some of that out because that's a bad looking tire. It's old dry rotted tire. Got 2 of them for free, and then I paid 30 for an inner tube. But I'll get it home that way at least. And I think it's gonna hold air at least to get home because it's the tube inside. But I definitely want to go softer on that. I'm going to go get my pressure gauge. I'm going to take some of the air out of that and take some of the pressure off that sidewall, and then I'll mount it on there. Alright, let's get this tire on. I forgot, because it's raining, I put everything in the truck. I got to go get the nuts. This is awkward. There we go. I gotta get the nuts in my tools here. It's a bad tire, but hopefully with the tube it'll be alright for a while. I gotta drive 2 miles home. Now I see why the one nut wasn't on very tight. That one's stripped on the end. I don't know if I can get that to thread or not. Oh yeah, good. I put it down to 27 psi. Did I say that? I don't know. But I feel safer with a lot less pressure. I'm not sure what the Ford pressure is supposed to be by the book on these. That is an ugly tire. Oh well, I didn't pay for the tire. The mechanic was happy to get rid of it. I got 2 of them. It's awkward now with the tire being filled. I don't have the I can't get on there. I can't really get the wrench in. That makes a difference. Well, I'm going to get these all on, and we'll be back in a minute. Well, when I let this down, it didn't take much at all to come out of there. So, it's on there. It's on. I think I could let some air out. I don't know. Oh, play it by ear. I could probably go down a little bit lower just so I don't hurt that tire. It's standing tall. I might I don't know. Boy, I wish I could get your opinion, guys. What you all think on that? What's best? It's not a really good tire, but the tube should hold as long as the tire doesn't blow out, you know. As long as the side of the tire doesn't blow out of it. So that's why I'm wondering what pressure to keep in there. Got 2 miles to go.
Can I drive?
No. This could be dangerous. Well, it runs at, oh, I gotta shut off the gas. The float is, bad. I definitely gotta clean the carb. It'll run smoother when I clean the carb. The float is definitely off and leaks gas when I park it. But we made it. We made it home. And it was cold. You're shivering. It was cold. Well, we did it, Melanie. We have a tractor. What do you think? They can't see you nodding your head. Well, oh, that feels good. It's not hot though, not at all. It held up. The wheels made it. There's a clunking noise in the transmission. I'm probably gonna take you for a ride with me one day and let you see that and maybe help me out. This tire was the flat one and it looks good. It stopped leaking, so we're gonna have to keep an eye on it and see. It was leaking around the valve stem and it stopped halfway through the night, and we'll see what happens. But I definitely gotta clean that carburetor. Poor thing. People run them without the air filters, and that's just not good. But that's a nice looking tractor. I put a little air in this tire too. I put them up to 15 pounds because I didn't want to trust. I don't trust them too much. There's no numbers on the tires, so I didn't know what to put them at. I put them at 15. The front tires, I put it 27. That one is really ugly, but it's got a tube and it got me home. And from here, it's just going to run around the property a lot and serve us. So I've got a good machine. I'm going to go through all the fluids now. Now that it's here and I can, keep an eye on it, take care of it right here. I'll go through all the fluids, take care of it, do everything right, flush everything. But I think we're pretty good. If the transmission does have a major issue, it really doesn't matter as long as the PTO works. Because for the most part, this is going to run my mill, which I'll show you later. So that's it for this video. The next video will hopefully be us bringing home the sawmill, but I've got to thaw out. I am cold. Well, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. An amazing, beautiful addition to the Off-Grid Homestead. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. This definitely helps a homestead on self-sufficiency. Talk to you later.